Hey everyone, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video for you that I am so excited about. I have been wanting to do this forever and it is finally time. I'm clearing out my closet. So I hope you like this video. If you do, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. So I wanted to start with a question for y'all right now in the comments. Let me know, how many times a year do you do a legit closet clean out? Because I do it 4 times a year, pretty much with each season. It's the best day of the season for me. I'm so excited for it, but I'm really curious if you guys do it maybe like once a month or once a year or whatever. So comment down below, let me know. Okay, so I also have a big announcement in this video, which is that I am no longer going to be working in a 9-to-5 office setting. I am a writer and I'm still going to be doing lots of writing, but I'm going to be based more at home and I'm going to be spending a lot more time with my son, which means I get to get rid of a lot of office clothes. I'm not just like randomly throwing away clothes that I might need in the future. This is stuff I pretty much got like when I first started my career 10 years ago and just have like held on to. But now that I'm like taking a break, if I ever do go back to an office setting, I'm gonna need some new clothes. So yeah, so I will keep stuff that like I could potentially wear, you know, in the near future if I need to dress business casual or something, but a lot of this stuff can go. So that's why I am especially excited this time around to do this clear out. Okay, so let me show you guys what I got going on. I have done a closet clean out and tour before, so I'm not gonna go into too much detail here, but as you can see, it's more clutter than it usually is, and yeah, it's just time to clean it out. Okay, so these are all the dresses and work pants that I have left. I got rid of a good chunk of stuff. Some of them were just ones that I absolutely loved, but I will never fit into again, like this dress from Reese, which is a USA 2 and a small one at that. This dress had like just gotten shabby. This was my all-time favorite dress in college, but okay, that's been over 10 years, so that can go. And then these are just some work pants that were really old. So that is my first pile of giveaways and all the extra hangers. And I'll organize this a little bit more, but I want to keep going. Disappointed in those past 2 sections because I feel like I didn't really do a good job. I only got rid of 1 sweater, 1 work jacket, and 1 work shirt. There was a lot of tops here that I don't love anymore, but they were like expensive or I don't know, so I'm like holding on to them, which I don't want to do, but it is hard. So I'm going to leave it as is for now, keep going on the rest of the closet, and maybe come back to that section because I think I can do a little bit better. Okay, so moving over to this section, this can be really tough because I have a lot of like black Lululemon type leggings that are all really similar. So I have to really go through and see like what's what in there. And then like assess my jeans and just kind of give up on the ones I know I'm not going to be wearing for a really long time and let them be a blessing to somebody else. Okay, I'm done with my pants and I got rid of 1 pair of jeans, but to be honest, the reason I got rid of them is these are Citizens, by the way. They are expensive freaking jeans. They split from the crotch like all the way freaking down the leg the other day. It was crazy. I kind of wanted to return them to Nordstrom's or whatever and be like, what the heck? But I'm just too embarrassed, so instead I'm just telling the world. But I am going to take them to Madewell, which gives you, I think, $20 off a new pair of jeans if you bring in an old pair. That's what I'm gonna do with that one. And now onto my t-shirts. Okay guys, I just finished my shirts and I went through my sweatshirts too, but didn't end up getting rid of any sweatshirts. But I did get rid of this pile of shirts right here. I went to Georgetown, by the way, for business school, and I have so much Georgetown clothing. I don't have any undergrad clothes, so I'm just not wearing them anymore. It's time for those to go. Okay, then over here, I have my robes. This one I got this year for like Hanukkah or my birthday or something, or this past year. This one I had, I think, for like 2 years now, but I wore it so much. I also wore it a ton after my son was born, so it's just been like a mess, and it's time for it to go. I have loved it though. This is a robe from Barefoot Dreams. I absolutely love this. I am sad to give it away, but I know I don't wear it anymore. I wear the new one, and so yeah, this can go to someone else who needs it. And then I have one sweater I can get rid of here. Oh, I also have these drawers. This drawer is jewelry. This one is bras and underwear, so I don't need to go through that with you guys. This is workout stuff, so there's definitely a few things I can get rid of in here. I'm done with that section. I'll show you guys. These were just old workout shirts and shorts that either don't fit anymore. I just don't like the look of them anymore. They don't wear well anymore. This is an old sweatshirt that I found in there too, so that all can go. So I think I'm done. I think I'm getting rid of everything I want to get rid of. I'm sure there's still more I could get rid of, but it's a really good start for me. And yeah, I'll just quickly show you guys everything. It's just in a big pile on the floor. This is everything that will be folded up and given away. I think pretty much everything can be given away. There was not too much I had to throw away. And then I'm going to do a quick cleanup of the closet, straighten everything out, stuff like needs to be dry cleaned and get out of here. And yeah, then I'm gonna vacuum, which is like my favorite thing to do once I've cleaned an area. And I'll show you guys the final little peek at my cleaned out, ready for fall closet. So I am done cleaning out my closet. I'll show you guys the final finished look. Pretty similar, but pared down where I need it to be. I can definitely still do more, and maybe I will, but I'll probably wait till the next big season clear out, which will be winter. And here are my 2 trash bags of giveaways. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. I'll see you next time. Bye!